Your Hisense TV is off, and the remote is nowhere to be found. Maybe the batteries died, maybe it got misplaced, maybe someone walked off with it. It does not matter. You have more options than you think, and most of them cost absolutely nothing. Here is every way to turn on a Hisense TV without the remote. Number 6. Use the physical power button on the TV. Every Hisense TV has a physical power button built directly into the unit. This is the fastest solution when the remote is missing and it requires no setup, no app, and no network connection at all. The button location varies depending on the model and year. On most Hisense TVs, there is a single button on the bottom edge of the TV frame, underneath the screen. Some models have it on the left or right side of the back panel. A small number of newer models use a joystick-style button near the center of the back. Look for the small red standby light on the front of your Hisense TV. The power button is almost always on the same edge as that light. Press and hold it briefly. Not a quick tap, but a deliberate press of about 2 seconds, and the TV will power on. Once the TV is running, you can use that same button to access a basic on-screen menu for adjusting volume, changing inputs, and navigating basic settings until you get a replacement remote or set up one of the other methods below. Number 5. Use the Remote Now app, Hisense's official app. Hisense has an official remote control app called Remote Now, available for free on both Android and iOS. It turns your smartphone into a fully functional replacement remote, including a power button that can wake the TV from standby. Download Remote Now from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the app and tap the TV icon in the corner of the screen. The app will scan for Hisense TVs connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. When it finds your TV, tap on it and follow the pairing steps. You may be asked to enter a code that appears on the TV screen to complete the connection. Once paired, you have full control through your phone. Volume, input switching, app navigation, and power control all work the same way as the physical remote. For this to work, your Hisense TV must already be in standby mode, meaning it is plugged in and has power, but the screen is off. Most modern Hisense Smart TVs maintain a network connection in standby, so the app can wake them remotely. Number 4. Use the Google TV app or Roku app. Depending on which platform your Hisense TV runs on, there is an official platform app that gives you complete remote control through your phone. If your Hisense TV runs on Google TV or Android TV, download the Google TV app on your phone, sign in with your Google account, and the app will detect your TV on the same Wi-Fi network. From there, you get full remote functionality, including power control, keyboard input, and voice search. If your Hisense TV is a Roku model, download the official Roku app on your Android or iOS device. Open the app, tap Remote, and select your Hisense TV from the list. The Roku app is fully featured. It can turn the TV on and off, navigate all menus, and use your phone's keyboard for searching. And it works just as reliably as the physical remote. Both apps are free, kept updated by their respective platforms, and work over your home Wi-Fi network. Number 3. Use HDMI CEC. Let another device's remote turn it on. Hisense TVs support HDMI CEC, which allows devices connected through HDMI to communicate with the TV and send it commands, including a power on command. If you have a PlayStation, Xbox, Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Chromecast, or Blu-ray player plugged into your Hisense TV, you can use that device's remote to turn the TV on. If HDMI CEC was enabled on your Hisense TV before the remote went missing, simply power on your connected device using its own remote or controller. Your Hisense TV will automatically turn on and switch to that HDMI input. Many Hisense TVs have HDMI CEC turned on by default. If you are not sure whether it was enabled, try turning on your gaming console or streaming stick anyway. If the TV powers on with it, HDMI CEC is already working. This costs nothing and requires no setup if you already have a device connected. Number 2. Use a universal remote. A universal remote can be programmed to control virtually any TV brand, including Hisense. You can buy one from any electronics store or online retailer for a small amount, and setup takes only a few minutes. When you receive the universal remote, find the included code booklet or download the brand's instruction manual online. Look for the Hisense TV codes in the list, usually a 3 to 5-digit number. Enter that code during the pairing setup, and once the remote accepts it, it works exactly like the original Hisense remote. Brands like GE, RCA, and Flipper make reliable universal remotes that are compatible with Hisense TVs. This is a permanent long-term solution. It will work even if the original Hisense remote is never found. Number 1. Set up voice control through Google Assistant or Alexa. If your Hisense TV is connected to your home network, you can control it with your voice through Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, and this works even when no remote is present. For Google Assistant, open the Google Home app on your phone, add your Hisense TV as a device, and link your account. Once set up, say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room TV," and it powers on immediately. For Amazon Alexa, open the Alexa app, go to the Skills section, and enable the Hisense skill. Link your account and add the TV as a device. From then on, "Alexa, turn on my Hisense TV" is all it takes. Both setups take about 5 minutes. After that, you have hands-free power control that never depends on a physical remote again, and it works every time as long as your home network is running.